Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna talk about Gala box. Is it Gala box? Gala once again. Please join me into the Discord. Sometimes I do drop some very critical text, like right now I was talking about Bitcoin potentially breaking out of a symmetrical triangle, and it can take you back to where you're forming that triangle. Look at the prices at 43,856. It's already going up. Now, I was looking at Gala, and something is very, very cute right now. And the cuteness about this one is we are about to form a bullish cross. And that's the best thing ever when this happens in cryptocurrency. When you see on the daily the 10, the 20, and the 55 crossing one another, wow, you've already broken out of a downtrend. This is telling us and giving us everything that we need to know for Gala in order for it to go back. And if everything goes okay, you're gonna see Gala go back all the way to the all-time high, which is was 75 cents, and potentially cross the the 75. So I'm actually gonna drop the fib levels from the top to the bottom right now. And where are we bouncing off? The zero point 0.5. Do you see that? So this is looking to go to this next target of 0.43, and potentially from there, if you just go up above the 43, backtest the 43 and hold at the 43, and everything goes well, and Bitcoin doesn't actually behave badly, then you're looking to go on a long-term frame. This is not going to take one day, by the way. Then this is going to be a target for $2.3. Do you understand that? But in order for that's a big question. It's a question of if you cross the 0.618, and if Bitcoin does behave. Unless Bitcoin remains good, I do think that the bull run can continue back to where it left off, right? So this is a very, very good sign right now, and there's no downtrend, right? One thing is very clear on the charts, not my own opinion. The downtrend is cancelled, absolutely abandoned. At least let's have some little bit of an uptrend in the next coming future, and that's what we want to enjoy and ride the waves to the upside. So that's it for today's Gala update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.